special press meet was held to celebrate the success of Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi, the show that launched colors on the Indian television scenario last year, is back again with an entire new level of excitement, danger, sizzling action and a lot more. The fast-paced adventure show ropes in 12.6 million unique viewers in its launch week itself. 13 of Indian entertainment industry's most beautiful and fearless women will be seen battling their worst fears in the show.
हम लोग कोई इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें कर ही नहीं पाए, यहाँ तक कि झगड़े भी नहीं किए।
ऐसा सही है कि सब लोग जीतना चाहते हैं इस गेम में, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है कि वो एक दूसरे को गिरा कर आगे जाने की कोशिश करें।
झूठ बोल रहे जो मतलब if anyone says कि नहीं हम लोग ऐसे ही मतलब just stunts करने आए थे whatever. It was a competition at the end of the day.
You know, waking up early every day. I mean, you know, sometimes you just
break. I think that's what happened to me for me to say that.
लेकिन एक तो ऐसा मोड आता है जब finally it is each man to himself.
But we were all really stressed. Like the stunts will get more difficult. So by the end of the day, it was you and your partner.
So I think that all the girls who like come out the show run that risk कि आप public में expose हो जाएंगे कि आपकी weaknesses क्या है. I think that's the biggest खतरा.
These girls are big competition. You have no idea. You must watch the show.
We love him. We all universally love him. He was so good. I mean, he's very very good. बहुत ही अच्छे हैं. बहुत you know, and he eggs everybody on.
I think
हम लोग इतने डरे हुए हैं.
Our partners for each of us while we were doing our stunts, वो हमारे partner बन जाते थे.
से अभी तक तो फिर सिर्फ 4 ही एपिसोड्स खत्म हुए हैं. आगे जैसे देखते जाएंगे स्टंट्स और मुश्किल होते जाते थे इन लोगों के लिए. मुझे याद है जब ये पहली बार आए थे तो इनके चेहरे पे रोना सा, उसके बाद स्टिचेस, फिर खून खराबा, फिर इनकी हालत बहुत बुरी होने लगी थी. दया भी आती थी, लेकिन आई न्यू कि ये एक कैंप के हिसाब से है. 7 दिन का कैंप है इनके लिए और इसके अंदर इनको वो हासिल कर दिखाना है जो सारी उम्र लगे रहे वो नहीं हासिल कर सके. I think I managed pretty well. I was just myself. I didn't try to copy anyone और मैंने कुछ नया करने की कोशिश नहीं. जैसे मैं I would train my son, I would just train these girls. I would get the satisfaction also to be with these 13 beautiful looking girls, and I would love to be teaching them also how to face their fears. So सब मिला के I would say कि I was enjoying each and every bit of it. मैंने जितना कुछ देखा था मेरे हिसाब से level 1 बहुत ही आसान था. Level 2 काफ़ी मुश्किल है. तो इन लोगों को I had to literally push them. कई बार तो ऐसा होता था मुझे धक्का मारना पड़ता था इनको, रुक जाती थी गाड़ी इन लोगों की और ये लोग नहीं कर सकते थे. होता है, डर होता है, लेकिन look at their face.
I would actually.
No, it doesn't take luck. I'm sorry. Who said that? Luck.
I think it's determination.
I don't think it's you. I've already completed the task of going underwater and swimming with the sharks in my movie Blue. I think that was the only stunt which was remaining because I've done all the air stunt and everything. So that was the only thing which was remaining. So I've done that also now.